There's something about real fire. The sound, the warmth, the calm it brings into a room. On a cold evening in Jersey, this is where the day slows down. At Homefires Jersey, we've been transforming homes now for 12 years. Thousands of homeowners across the island have trusted us to redesign their living spaces and create something more than just heat. We are certified HETAS specialists. That means every wood-burning stove and chimney system we install meets strict UK safety and building standards. Installed properly, signed off correctly, built to perform for years. But what really matters isn't just compliance. It's how the fire changes your space. Modern eco-design stoves with incredible efficiency. Beautiful Scandinavian models. Statement pieces that completely redefine a room. From first consultation to final installation, our team handles everything with precision and care. This isn't just a product, it's the heart of your home. If you're considering a wood burner or fireplace, you need to see them in real life. Visit our showroom in Jersey. Explore the designs. Feel the warmth. Speak to a real expert who understands your home. And if you're not ready to visit yet, head to homefiresjersey.com and discover what's possible. Homefires Jersey. Thousands of homes transformed. One simple goal: bringing warmth back to the center of your home.